Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout setting on this device to never. If we'll go to the settings application and choose the always on display and lock screen category, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set as for this sleep feature is 10 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we'll use the help of the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Caffeine. That's the app that we're looking for. Click on install and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. Next we'll have to open it and make sure that at the timeout section we have the infinite value set. And as long as the infinite value set and the Caffeine application is active and running, our screen will not automatically turn off no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!